Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Albertsons loyalty card to the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to order groceries with Instacart and you want to order specifically from Albertsons. How do you actually go ahead and add your loyalty card so that you receive rewards when you order through Instacart? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. Next, underneath savings, you're going to click on add loyalty cards. Now, once you're on this page here, Albertsons should be the first card that you see up top. Click on add card, and then this is where you're going to be linked to Albertsons for You, which is their loyalty program. Now, if you don't already have a card, you can actually sign up here. But once you're done so, just click on confirm. And it's going to be free to link or sign up for the loyalty program, and it only takes a few seconds. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and link your Albertsons loyalty card to the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.